So now I'm sure you guys already see the powerful feature of include and or require. Before we go into the require, they include, because the include and the require, they actually perform the same function. And what they do is that they takes all the text code or markup that exists in a specified file and copied it into the particular working environment or the particular web page that you include it. Because as we copied this, as we deleted the header section, we created a separate file for it. But as we include it in this index.php, what happens? It brings all the file and displays as it is in particular that particular web. So now let's still look at the difference between the include and and um, uh, the add. Take for example, now you have an include here, and maybe we have headers.php. Let's refresh and see. Now, as you can see, the we rename our what's it called? The name of our header as it is being displayed at this side here. Are you getting it? And you all know that the right name for the document is header, not header. But if you observe, despite the fact that the system displayed an error, what happened? Our document is still loaded up. Are you getting it? It displaying an error that the headers failed to open the stream because no file in such directory, no file in the folder with the same name, headers.php. Now let's go back and rename this include to like require, and let's see what will happen. So require, let's refresh and see. You see that the entire code is being collapsed. This is just the difference between the include and require. The include, you are telling the system that include this file whether exist or not. So it won't prevent the system, the project, the program from loading up. It will only display error that the system could not find the file in such location. But that of require, you are telling the system that this particular project, this particular program requires this project, require this file to run. So that is why, since the project require the file to run, if the system cannot find that file, it won't display, it won't preview the rest of the document, just as it's being as it is shown here now. So if I go back now and now rename this required, the headers from headers to header, and now refresh, you see that the system will load up. Are you getting it now? So this is just it depends on the required is mostly used when you are connecting to database. Is mostly used there and some other scenarios, in the sense that this system require this database connection to work, because maybe it involve collection of users information and whatsoever. So now once you include that require, you're telling the system that if this database connection is not there, don't preview this page. So this is just a simple um, difference between the require and the include.